Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to compare the specs and technical information between the JBL Tune 670NC with the JBL Tune 770NC and what are some important things you need to know. So first thing, the weight. The weight is lower for the JBL Tunes, 174 grams compared to 256 grams for the 770NC, so that's better. Battery life is 70 hours for JBL Tune, but this was also that I read from the multiple sources, is that it really depends if you're gonna have the adaptive noise cancelling, and also it can be like similar. So I wouldn't say like this is better, I would put it like they are in a similar position. Now the quick charge is better for the 770NC. Driver size, I couldn't get the information for JBL Tune 670NC, so I'm not going to comment that. Bluetooth version is the same. You're gonna have better adaptive noise cancelling with smart ambient for the 770NC. Then multi-point connection is good for both. And the JBL Tune 770NC got more features comparing to the 670NC. So that's like also an important thing to know. And that's pretty much it. The price, when you look here, it's like similar. Now it really depends if you want to have more weight with the 770NC, better noise cancelling. Also the battery life is similar, so you can have also better additional features. So it really depends which one you want. So let me down below in the comments. I just wanted to make this quick video for you. I hope it gave you at least a little bit of value. Have a great day and goodbye.